Welcome to Belajar Jadi Mudah, your free and fun learning platform. Today, we'll explore the vibrant world of colors in English. Learning colors is an exciting and essential part of mastering the language. Let's start with the basics. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, pink, black, white, brown, gray, using colors in sentences. The apple is red. She has a blue dress. The grass is green. The sun is yellow. Understanding and using colors will help you describe the world around you. And make your conversations more vivid. Happy learning with Belajar Jadi Mudah.